What's up, everyone? Marc Lobliner, TigerFitness.com. Oh, Lord. Man, this Ryan Garcia thing keeps getting weirder and weirder where it's actually bringing in my friends into the fray. So I just want to say for the record, Nutrabio, Marc Lobliner, upstanding company. I'm going to go into this. I had to put a clickbaity title. That's exactly what happened. Ryan Garcia is blaming Nutrabio for failing his drug test. Crazy. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, dude, if there's one upstanding man in this industry, you know, a guy I trust, it's Marc Lobliner. I love the guy. I think he's a great guy. And I want to go into this story. Also, Mark, he gave a little rebuttal on the Fox News. Fox News, you know, the Fox News, you know, one of those news channels. He's going mainstream, man. I don't think it's the way he wanted to go mainstream, but I'm sure Mark will turn this into a positive because Mark is the man. What a good company. Great company. I don't even sell their brand. Like, they do their own thing, but, you know, you got to give credit where credit's due. Nutrabio, good people, good brand. And, but I'm going to read this article as a news guy because that's what I play on YouTube. I play a news guy. Speaking of news guys, speaking of which, in about an hour and 15 minutes, I will go live with Alan Roberts, rumble.com/TigerFitness. That's rumble.com/TigerFitness with our evening rants Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whoa, where we go over current events and talk politics. This ain't about politics, yo. This ain't about politics. This is about fighting. This is about boxing. And this is about supplements. This is about tainted stuff and drug tests. I've never met a drug test I couldn't fail, everybody. Anyway, let's go to the stage. Let's read this article. Testing finds 2 supplements Ryan Garcia was approved to take before fight had traces of banned substance. His legal team says he's the victim. He looks like a victim to me of supplement contamination. Maintain he has never intentionally used a banned substance. Kind of like, remember in the 90s when everybody was popping positive for drugs and they all blamed it on like tainted chicken and shit? Like, I mean, seriously. Ryan Garcia's legal team was adamant that a legal supplement the boxer used leading up to this fight with Devin Haney was contaminated with banned substance. We are certain that one of the natural supplements Ryan was using in the lead up to the fight will prove to be contaminated, are in the process of testing the supplements to determine the exact source. A previous statement for Tia's team read, after B sample results for the boxer found the banned PED Ostrine matching the A samples. Now, I already did a video on this, guys. Ostrine is the shittiest drug to use, especially since he was tested throughout. Ostrine is not like a halo testing. You take halo testing before an event, you're like, and you're wigging out. It gets you aggressive. It gets you angry. Turns you into a fucking monster. In fact, halo testing was once dubbed divorce in a bottle. That's right, not by me. I am happily married and I don't take halo testing. At least I haven't today. After further testing, Garcia's team told Fox News Digital in a statement that traces of Ostrine were found in 2 supplements that were declared by Garcia on VADA doping control forms, which were signed April 19th and 20th. Look at this guy. Totally natty, just 100% natty. As natty as the peanut butter you get from Trader Joe's. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the Natty King, ladies and gentlemen. This confirms we have consistently maintained Ryan was a victim of supplement contamination and has never intentionally used any banned performance-enhancing drugs. Let's see if we can find where do they mention the supplements? Fast forward, just to save time so I can talk more shit. Garcia's team provided the test results to Fox News Digital, first showing the supplement called Nutrabio Supercarb, which is used to boost recovery during and after workouts. Supercarb is carbs. It's fucking carbs. What the hell isn't supercarb? It's just carbs. It's literally just carbs. The result, which was done by Sports Medicine Research Testing Laboratory in South Jordan, Utah, was Ostrine detection in the range 700 to 2200 picograms per gram of powder. A picogram is 1/trillionth of a gram. The only time I think about trillion is when I think about our national debt. The sample was tested for all banned substances, including anabolic androgenic steroids, my personal favorite, other anabolic agent, hormone receptor modulators, including SARMs, HIF stabilizers, don't know what the fuck that is, diuretics, and masking agents. I take all of those. Second supplement, Body Health's Perfect Amino, is used to build lean muscle while burning fat. After testing for the same banned substance, Ostrine was detected at approximately 660 to 830 picograms per gram, when he caught wind of his B sample results. We went over this on this channel. He was hasty to post on social media. That's what he does, where he sarcastically said he loves steroids. Let's go. We positive. He tweeted in a post that's since been deleted. Positive vibes, bruh. Yes, so happy. I fucking love steroids. Amen, my brother. I don't care if I ever make money again with boxing. Your loss, not mine, for setting me up. LOL, jokes on y'all. I'll swallow all steroids. He upset Haney, blah, blah, blah. So let's go to my buddy. Again, man, I might as well, Mark, I'm not doing this to kiss ass. Again, like, Mark's a good guy. They run a good company. They are a competitor of mine, if you want to look at it that way. We compete with them. But, dude, I ain't a hater. There's enough pie for everyone to eat. I ain't a hater. I want to see the good guys. I want to see the cream rise up. The cream of the crop. Oh, yeah. I want to see the cream rise to the top. And my man Mark, he's the cream. Good guy. Nutrabio. There's another article, guys. This is a rebuttal piece. Thank you, Fox News, for letting the supplement industry have a voice. By the way, guys, if you're watching this live on YouTube or on Twitter, the chat is open. Say what you want. I'll answer any and all questions pertaining and not pertaining to this article. Nutrabio, one of the manufacturers of supplement that boxer Ryan Garcia's legal team says contaminated trace of bad substance, is firing back at the allegation. Garcia's legal team revealed test results for two different supplements that Garcia declared on VADA, the Voluntary Anti-Doping Association, doping control forms prior to his fight with Devin Haney, against whom his win came under controversy after his test came back positive for Ostrine. Again, guys, I don't even know if he took it, bro. Like, if he did take it, whoever told him to take it is a fucking idiot. Like, why would you take Ostrine? Garcia stunned many when he took down Haney, although the WBC super lightweight champion belt wasn't up for grabs because he came in too damn fat. One of the supplements was Nutrabio Super Carb, which is used to boost recovery. This is kind of redundant. Nutrabio has never, Nutrabio CEO and founder Marc Glazer said it was never manufactured with banned substances. Nutrabio has never manufactured a supplement with Ostrine, and they haven't. They are a NSF lab. So just to give you a perspective, I wonder if I have it here. So just last week, let's see if I can pull this up. So the FDA, searches your facility, right? If you are an FDA compliant facility, you cannot have Ostrine in there. You just can't. And his facility is a compliant facility. It is an NSF facility. I don't know if y'all can see this. Hold on. Let me get this. I'm not going to. Anyway, so here's ours. So ours is just our storage facility. So we are so friggin' on point at MTS Nutrition that not only are our manufacturing facilities GMP compliant, but also our storage facilities are GMP compliant. And we are in daily discussions with FDA, making sure we're compliant because, well, it's edible goods. At the end of the day, you're putting it in your mouth. And if you put it in your mouth, I said your motherfucking mouth, that means that you're trusting our company. I want the FDA to have oversight. I'm sorry, I'm a libertarian, but like, you see what happens when they don't? You get SARMs, you get pro-hormones, you get all this crazy shit. So when you're buying my products, you're buying Mark's products. This is why this kind of bullshit, right? He doesn't have Ostrine in his facility. I could say that based on so he gets literally audited probably every 6 to 8 weeks, if not more frequently. If he had Ostrine in that facility, the man would find it. What do I mean by the man? You know who the man is. If you don't know who the man is, you're a racist, all right? Nutrabio has never manufactured a supplement. I read that 4 times. Glazer said in a statement to Fox News Digital, "We have a long-standing commitment to the highest quality supplements trusted by athletes worldwide. Nutrabio set the bar when it comes to guaranteeing product quality and safety, and we are the first sports supplement company to have full label disclosure." True. They list everything. They list the sub-ingredients of sub-ingredients of sub-ingredients. Our supplements are manufactured in our own GMP facility, meeting CFR Part 111 GMP regulations. That's exactly what I just showed you for us, by the way. Glazier continued. We take any claims against our company extremely seriously, and we'll aggressively investigate the recent allegations made by Ryan Garcia's camp. We stand by our process for ensuring the quality, safety, and security, blah, 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 blah. In Garcia's legal statement, they said the two tested all supplements, which were taped and sealed before being sent to Sport Medicine Research and Testing, confirmed they were saying the entire time Garcia was clean. Throughout his career, Ryan has voluntarily submitted to numerous tests, all of which has returned negative. Additionally, multiple negative tests leading up to his fight against Haney affirmed his clean record. The other supplement submitted was Body Health's Perk Amino. I have no idea who Body Health is. I don't think I do. Both samples, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to give you my take, guys. Whether you want to hear it or not, I'm going to give you my take. Okay? By the way, the chat's open, guys. Any questions you want? I got 30 minutes before I have to start show prepping for Alan. Had a busy day. I want to vent a little bit. I love venting with y'all. But before I get to that, I wanted to play a little ad for you because, hey, I'm my own sponsor. We have MTS Nutrition Creapure Creatine back in stock. Here's why you should take it. You should go to tigerfitness.com. By the way, guys, to celebrate my wife's birthday, it is my wife's birthday today. Happy birthday. Went to a beautiful lunch at Jonathan's Grill in Franklin, Tennessee, in Cool Springs. Our kids, it's summer break. It was wonderful. I had a beautiful teriyaki chicken bowl. It was amazing. And to celebrate my wife's birthday, we're giving you 10% off at tigerfitness.com, 10% off the entire site through tomorrow night. That is June 4th, midnight. And here's the ad. All creatines are created equal. Every few years, we get a new version of creatine. Creatine HCl, creatine ethyl ester, you name it, there's a new creatine. But one stands out as the best, as the tried and true, and that's creatine monohydrate. But not all creatines are created equal. Most of the creatine comes from China. I'm not saying anything bad about Chinese ingredients. A lot of them are great. But if I'm taking creatine, the most important, most beneficial, most amazing, most studied supplement, I want to get it from the most pure source. I want to get it from the source where all the studies that we cite were done on, and that is Creapure Creatine. So that's why I came out with my own brand of MTS Nutrition Creapure Creatine. Not only are you getting the Creapure branded creatine, but you're also getting it from a source that you know tested coming in, going out from MTS Nutrition, the brand you love, the brand you trust, and by buying from us, you're buying it from a company who supports you and here to help you reach your goals. Support companies who love you, support companies who don't hate you. If you take creatine, take MTS Nutrition Creapure Creatine, I can say this with the certainty, with the utmost certainty, that this is the best creatine you can buy, period. I was wondering what that thing is right here on my chest. It's actually my chest vein poking through my shirt. I was wondering what was going on there. I'm getting shredded, yo. I'm getting fucking shredded. Here's my opinion, guys. I don't think he took drugs. I don't think he took anything. I think they're just fishing. I don't think he took drugs. I don't think this man took Ostrine in the last week of his training. I just don't. That'd be the dumbest fucking move ever. Why would anybody take fucking Ostrine? I mean, that makes no sense. It has no real acute benefits. It's not going to make you a better boxer. It's not going to give you more lean mass. It's not going to make you faster. And even if you took it for a long time, Ostrine's kind of shit. It's not a real potent drug. Like if you're going to do a drug pre-contest, do something that's in and out of your system fast. Do like testosterone base. Do like, I don't know how long Halo lasts. Can't be that long. You're looking at what, a 24-hour half-life max? But fucking Ostrine? I just think he's just like, okay. Maybe they drizzled a little, because they sent the samples. It was sealed, right? But they didn't send a new tub. They sent the tub that he was using. Who knows what the fuck they did to that? It could be adulterated. The chain of custody is all fucked up. I honestly don't think that he even took drugs. If Ryan Garcia took Ostrine, he deserves what's coming to him, not because it's doping, but because it's a bad drug choice. Who the fuck takes Ostrine before a goddamn boxing match as an acute fucking, I mean, it makes no sense. None of this makes any fucking sense. Can somebody tell me where the fuck this makes sense? Fucking Ostrine? Ostrine? That's what you're going to risk your entire fucking career on? Austrian? If I'm risking my career, I'm taking halo testing, I'm roid raging the fuck out, and I'm beating up the ref, I'm beating up the ring announcer, I'm beating up the judges, I'm fighting fucking everyone because it's literally fucking divorce in a bottle. Fucking Austrian? Austrian? Are you fucking kidding me? That's what they're getting him on? I think it's unfortunate that my buddy Mark got brought into this because I think all of this is just complete fucking bullshit. I don't think for one second that this guy took Austrian. And if he did, what a fucking moron. It definitely wasn't in super carb. I'm pretty sure it's not in the amino blend. Like, why? You know how dirty your shit has to be? You know how dirty your shit has to be? That's it. That's the story. Let me get to the chat right now, guys. This fucking story is crazy though, isn't it? It is fucking crazy. It's like Austrian. My man risked his boxing career if he did it for fucking Austrian. And now he's trying to, say that not one, but two supplements he was taking were tainted with the same fucking thing. Like, let's say that Nutrabio, do you think Nutrabio and Body got together and they're like, hey guys, check it out. We're gonna fucking spike our shit with Austrian so people can notice nothing. And like, these are like, I'm assuming Body's a good, I'm assuming they're both great facilities. Like, these are GMP facilities. Like, you're not doing that shit. I couldn't do that shit if I wanted to. I would literally have to sneak into the manufacturing facility at night, break in, and have a little satchel. Because, us Jewish people, we wear our satchels, put our gold coins in it, right? Put our shekels in there. Take my shekels out, fucking put a satchel, fucking put some powder in there, go up and sprinkle it in there. What? Oy, Gewalt. Oy vey. Oy vey. All right, chat. Eli says I'm first. Fantastic, bro. Welcome, Eli. Thank you for coming. Steve the Great. Yo, Steve with the hair. Steve's got the best hair in my chat every fucking day. This man's hair, this is that guy who wakes up, first thing he does, he combs the hair. Just combs the hair. Made it early. Well, that's unfortunate. I do that every time with my wife. Let's go. Yes, I am live. He picked the worst possible company to blame. They're super transparent. Amen, Area Gerensis. By the way, great name. Great name. I want to wrestle Steffi Cohen from the Magic Mountain 33. I just wanted to say that. I'm going back to work later. Man, this is why I do lives. Unfortunately, not enough cool shit happens to do lives. Like, it's like I have to wait for a story like this where I can really get into. But like, I'm not like Nick Strength and Power. And it's this guy's hitting a front double bind. He has a really great bicep shot. And he's looking very sick for the Arnold Classic this year. And, oh, look, I heard that Big Ramy is traveling to eat. I mean, that shit would bore the fuck out of me. Nick doesn't even have to show his face. My man's filming those videos. Nick Strength and Power, goddamn well he's naked when he does those videos. Nick Strength and Power is buck-ass naked, just reading bodybuilding gossip. That's the fucking dream. I'm not hating. I'm jealous. Test suspension. Test base, too. Test base just in and out of your system, bro. Man, I've known a lot of guys who've cheated on drug tests. I've never cheated on one because I compete in the IFBB. We encourage drug use. I'll drink to that. Oh, man, I just spilled. Just wipe that on my pants. All right. Will it be a defamation suit? Oh, bringing out the Jew in me, Cobra Head Sports and Entertainment. So here's the thing. For it to be defamation, you have to, one, prove that it is untrue. So Mark has to prove that there was no substance in that powder, which is going to be really hard to do, to be honest, unless he's able to prove chain of custody or he's able to get someone to rat, right? Number two, you have to show punitive damage. So Marc will have to show that what Ryan said amounted to a direct and measurable punitive damage. It's very possible. But I think what Marc's going to do is just go on a PR spree, use this as an opportunity to get his name out there with Fox News and all these other ESPN, whatever it is. And he has an opportunity to counter what Ryan Garcia said. So when Marc is a very good speaker, very honest man, he has a beautiful bald head, beautiful man, handsome man. I think Marc's going to just go, again, I could be wrong. He's not the most litigious guy. He's old school. But if I know Marc, and I know him okay, I think he's just going to go out and defend himself, kind of like when he took down Jim Stepani. Now, that was funny. You guys remember that one. You are the next Rush Limbaugh. Politician is your destiny, Sergio. So I actually have been courted by a couple political parties. One was, let's say that I'm kind of bordering on a edgy conservative or just a normal libertarian. If you've ever been to a libertarian convention or a libertarian gathering, and I've actually spoken at a couple of them, they are some very fucking unique people. I'm not going to say weird, but like people who like freedom, like really fucking like freedom, there's some eccentric motherfuckers. God bless them. So if I was to get into politics, I would either be a local libertarian because you can win locally as a libertarian, or I'd be more like a Rand Paul, Thomas Massey Republican. More of a freedom libertarian, Ron Paul type guy, knowing that it's a two-party system. However, I ain't doing that shit. Nope. I ain't got the fucking spine for that, bro. I'll get back busted. I'll get fucking power bombed. I can't handle that shit. Man, imagine me in fucking Congress and like Chuck Schumer, or he's in Senate. And let's say fucking like who's that little fucking bitch from New York, that fat fuck. Man, like he's piping up to me. Man, I would hop over the desk and fucking beat his ass. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. So I'm going to just stay here in the private sector. And keep doing evening rants. Again, it's on in an hour. Go on my evening rants and help society the best I can through my voice. Joshua Gray. Hi, Joshua. Only thing Austrian ever gave me was pain in my nipples. Dumb mistakes made by 23-year-old, 21-year-old. Yeah, but again, there's no side effects for SARMs. Shut the fuck up. Plenty of side effects for SARMs. Because here's the thing, like the studied dose of these SARMs is like 3 milligrams. And if you look, each pill you buy is like fucking 50 milligrams. Bro. We don't know what the fuck it does at those doses, man. We have no idea. No idea. None. Area. Probably will be a PRW for NB. Yeah, PR win for Nutrabio more than anything. I think if Marc does this correctly, he will get a bump in sales. And I think Marc's doing everything right from what I can tell at this point. Haven't had enough time to follow it. It's been very busy a couple weeks for me. But, we'll see. I see it in you seriously. Talking about politics. Man, I just want to do what I do, man. Just want to do what I do. Sup, Marc? Breakfast Mochaccino Outright Bar coming back? It is. We have, so for some reason, even after and before Memorial Day, Tiger Fitness is booming, and I appreciate that. I'm not going to lie. The beginning of the year was hard. It was at the point we were like, we might have to lay some people off. I'm not lying. And we doubled down, and we got all of our whey protein back. We've been fighting like mad, and thanks to you guys, we are climbing back. We're still not where we need to be. That's why I need you guys to go to tigerfitness.com and support us. I really do. Please, please, please. I beg you. I'm begging you. I would get on my hands and knees, but it's a stand-up desk, and that'd be weird because then I'd be under the desk, and that's more of a White House intern job. So I beg you, please, if you buy sport nutrition supplements, if you buy creatine all that stuff. Go to tigerfitness.com and support us. All right. Also want to tell you guys, we got our probiotic machine uptake back in stock. It's a chewable wafer. So I eat it as a dessert. Look at this. No calories, naturally sweetened and flavored. It's delicious. 1.5 billion CFUs in stock right now. If you tried it, oh my gosh, so good. Flavor was sweetened with stevia. It's called machine uptake. Anyway, since it's my wife's birthday, go to tigerfitness.com. You get 10% off today and tomorrow to celebrate my wife being a year older than me. Actually, she's 5 months older, but until November, she's 44 and I'm 43. So that's my cougar right there. It's my cougar. I love my wife. Been married to my wife for a long time. It's our 27th year together in September. 27th year. That's older than a lot of you motherfuckers watching this shit, man. High school sweethearts. High school sweethearts. I'm natty. Not me. Not me. Alex E with the comment. Okay. Everything Ryan did was premeditated from Alex E. Alex, I normally don't say this to a man. And I know it's Pride Month, but it's not about that. Okay. Bro, you have the most beautiful smile I've ever seen. From not making weight, which is huge in that weight class, to betting on himself 1.5 million to win 12 million, he knew something. Yeah, bro, but fucking Austrian, bro, if I'm stacking the deck, I'm taking fucking Halo. I'm telling you, man, I took Halo in 2013. I was literally like on very low calories. I'd go to the gym. I'm like a fucking zombie. Halo testing, my liver would fail, but I'd be like, I just want to fucking kill things. Kids, don't take Halo testing. This is not a promotion for Halo testing. All right. Why would you take a substance that suppresses testosterone? Right? Yeah, right? Like, what the fuck? Just order some Nutrabio. Need to order more. While you're ordering Nutrabio, complement it with some MTS nutrition, guys. I need to fucking pay my bills, okay? Mark's got the bag. I need some of the bag, okay? Mark's already rich. Well, I'm both kind of doing pretty well, but fuck, come on. Now, support Nutrabio. Support me. They're good people. I'm 47. I'm 43. Luigi, we are learning a lot about you. Oh, great question, Matt. When's Ambrosia Planta? You mean this bad boy right here? When's it coming back to Tiger Fitness? Wednesday. Should be Wednesday night. It'll be back in stock. Wednesday, we will have Ambrosia back at tigerfitness.com. That's it, guys. Guys, I got to get ready. I got to go show prep for evening rants. Again, rumble.com/tigerfitness evening rants is on in about 50 minutes every Monday through Thursday. Check it out. Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. Okay, guys? Really, 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 really appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And again, coupon code is Katie, Katie, 10% off Tiger Fitness. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm going to send you off with an ad because I made them. And I took time. And I need to do something while I shut down this fucking video. So we're going to play you the uptake ad, and you're going to like it. All right, guys? You guys have a great rest of your day. Everybody here knows about the benefits of probiotics and digestive enzymes for gut health, for immunity. So I wanted something that I could eat after a meal. I always like something sweet after I eat, kind of like a dessert, but we don't want the calories. So what if we could create a calorie-free, naturally sweetened wafer that's delicious, that's chocolatey, that I can eat after a meal, I can eat anytime, that satisfies my sweet tooth, but also delivers the probiotics and digestive enzymes. So we have machine uptake. Machine uptake, check this out, is a delicious chocolate wafer. That is so good. Calorie-free. What I do is after meals, especially those containing lactose, maybe whey protein, something that your body might not agree with, maybe you're a little lactose intolerant, maybe a little dairy intolerant, machine uptake is perfect for you. Get a bottle, try it, you'll love it. It'll become your probiotic of choice, and it's absolutely delicious.